Good morning, everybody. This is Todd with the Daily Nitty Gritty Insiders video. Hope you're having a good day today. The markets have been treating you well. We have had a lot of interesting things happen over this last week and causing the markets to continue to move in a positive direction for the most part. We have not so much news this week that's a huge issue. Although in Canada today, they will have their interest rate statements and press conference, so be prepared for that. And so whenever we have the markets moving up and down and all around, we need to make sure that we understand how to properly evaluate and look at charts so that we can take advantage of looking at those things that are most important when it comes to the simple trading method. Now, as you know, when we talk about the simple trading method, there are a couple of things that we need to take into consideration. And let me get my chart up here. First of all, we have to be able to know the trend. Second, we need to know support and resistance. Third, we need to be able to identify the entry stop, which is going to be either the HH3 or LL3, depending on the trend as being up or down. We've got to place our initial stop and our initial targets. And for most of you that have been trading the simple trading method for a while, understand that that's what it is that we're looking for, and hopefully are able to go through the process of doing that. Now, I want to talk just a little bit about these first two things today: trends and support and resistance. So there's a couple things that we want to look for in the trends. We want to look for price action, which means what the price is doing, or looking at higher highs and higher lows, or lower lows and lower highs. So what is the price doing, and how does that create what we would identify as a trend? And so when we look at this, we're really looking for the price to be making that pattern of higher highs and higher lows as the price is moving up, or lower lows along with lower highs for a downtrend. And if we have that pattern, it's pretty simple to identify that trend. Now, it's not always that simple. Sometimes you get a mixed bag of things as far as the price and what it's doing, but we can certainly look at the trend as kind of being able to identify the actual price movement. Now, the other thing that we can use are channels. We can use moving averages. to help us identify the direction that things are going. And if we can get good at this, then it really puts us in a place to say that, okay, the price is moving up, the trend is moving up, and I'm going to enter into a long position, or it's moving down, I'm going to enter into a short position. And then we are on the right side of the markets. The next thing with support and resistance is we've got price, support, or what we'd call horizontal price support. There we go. Where the price is running into areas of support or resistance on a horizontal plane. And so the price will bounce between these levels because buyers or sellers come in, causing the price to move back down. The other type, and ones that we will probably be dealing more with the simple trading method, is simply the trending or diagonal support and resistance. And so that is going to be more, like it says, along with the trend going up in this case, while the price is moving within this range of support or resistance. And this is oftentimes the ideal situation because we're looking at a channel that the price is moving up in, which tells us that the trend is going up. And then we're looking for the support areas to look to get into those. So anyway, that's kind of what I wanted to cover today. And regardless of what we trade, we need to be able to at least pick out these things from the charts using trends, price action, channels, moving averages, or whatever else you can use to help identify those areas of trending markets. And then also support and resistance, knowing where the price is going to have a difficult time moving above or beyond so that we can find out the best places to enter into the trades in the direction of the trend. So practice with that, and if you have questions, let me know. If not, have a great rest of the day, and we'll talk to you soon.